I went to IKEA today and I purchased this mirror and this clothing rack. I have like a vision going on for my room that I think I want for like my clothing hauls, etc, etc. My room is a complete tornado right now because I'm like changing everything as we speak. So I'm trying to get everything together. So right now I have this rack that I got from Target. And I got this mirror, which was actually on sale at IKEA, and this mirror is usually like $50 and I got it for like $25. I was very surprised that mirror was on sale. And also over here we have a lot going on too. I got this stool, which is going to be for my vanity. I'm trying to keep my vanity as minimal as possible, so I'm gonna probably purchase something for the wall here. I just finished patching up the holes, so that's why it looks like that. But I'm gonna get something for the wall to kind of organize my skincare so that I don't have everything on the dresser, because I want to use this to film tutorials and stuff. So I have like my skincare down there, but we're gonna work on that later. Right now I'm working on this part, which I'm pretty much almost done with. I'm not gonna focus too much on this area today because I really was trying to get my skincare stuff together. Now, as for over here, this is where I used to have everything, and that's what inspired me to get the clothing rack, because I feel like just because I have all these hooks everywhere, I'm always hooking my jackets everywhere. I got this little thing from IKEA over here where I hang my bags. I think I should just leave that there because it doesn't really bother me, but I think this has to go because I want to make this like a space dedicated to where like the changing station and stuff like that. But we're gonna have a changing table for sure, and my bassinet is gonna be a bedside, so I'm not gonna need any space for a bassinet. And then the other side of the room is gonna be a whole nother story, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. I'm just showing you guys what I did. I emptied out my vanity because I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do for my makeup and stuff. I found a little thing that I want to buy from IKEA that will store my makeup down here, but they were out of stock today, so I'm pretty upset about that. But we will try again another day. But for now, this is what we're working with, and I just wanted to show you guys this really quick so you kind of know what I'm up to, so I don't leave you out the loop. And yeah. So here I have my makeup cart. The next project for today is to get all of the stuff that I use and organize them in the shelf that you just saw me build. So my Amazon package just came. This is the vanity mirror, so I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. So this is it. Let's open it. So this is it. Has a button right here. Okay, so so far I have my stuff kind of organized in here. It's not the best right now, but I don't have enough compartments to do how I really wanted to do it. But for now I have like my lip products here, my eye and brow products there, foundation and powders here, my lashes are right here. The second drawer I have bronzers and blush, highlighters and concealers in the back. I should turn this around actually, but I'll do that later. Let me see. And then this drawer, I'm gonna use it for like setting spray and brushes. I think I have the most brushes out of anything, and my setting sprays, they take up a lot of space, so I'm gonna do that down there. But right now I gotta wash my brushes and they're currently being washed right now, so I can't show you them. But I pretty much decluttered the entire thing and threw out stuff that I didn't use anymore. So I'm pretty much done. This is how our mirror looks. I can't get it to turn on because I don't have any batteries. But when I do, I will show you guys how bright the light is. The light is actually this part right here. If you guys are interested in this mirror, I'll link it below as well from Amazon. Hopefully they have more because I think there was like 2 left when I bought it. But yeah, so up here, you guys already know, this is all going to change. I got this from IKEA. It's actually really cool. Let me show you what it looks like. So without me making everything fall, if you take the top off, it's like a lid. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Take this perfume off. So yeah, you take it off, and right inside it has 4 compartments, and I already put like my cotton pads and yeah, that just fell, but I put my cotton pads and like my headbands for when I do my skincare, and that is that. So right now we're gonna be organizing this on the shelf that I got from Urban Outfitters once that gets here, and it's gonna go above the wall here, and then we'll have less stuff on the actual. Oh, that is so cute. I like that. That's for me? Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to put that in a frame because that's cute.
I'll just do it.
Okay, go ahead. Bye. And how could I forget to show you guys the most important thing that I got, which was the splurge that I made. I still haven't taken the tag off, as you can see, but I was very anxious to see how it was gonna look. But I got this stool from Target, and I did add a different pampas grass. As I mentioned, I didn't like the pampas grass I had before, and I just put it right next to the mirror, and I think this is like the cutest little setup. What do you guys think? It goes really well with the wardrobe thing going on. And yep, so that is that. I'm pretty much done for the day, and if I make any updates, I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so this is the lights that I installed from IKEA above the desk. I added this little picture that I honestly do not like, but for right now that is what it's gonna be, and it's kind of crooked, but it's okay. And then I have my shelf here that I have all my like skincare products, and then this is the mirror. I added batteries so you guys could see the light. I have a little shelf here from Shein also, and my shelf is down here that I keep all the makeup and stuff, and that's pretty much it. And then I have my face steamer here, and that is it for the vanity for now. I still want to change the picture that's here because the one that I ordered to go here didn't fit the frame, which is why I put this here temporarily. The fact that it's crooked is really bothering me. So that is the vanity so far. As for over here, this is what it's looking like. I added this little, this is actually a glass vase that I spray painted black, and this is the stool that I got from Target that I mentioned before. And yeah, this is pretty much the little wardrobe section of the room. I really like how it turned out, and then because I don't have space for a nightstand, I added this little lamp also that I got from IKEA, and whenever I need light I just push this button because this is my side of the room. And as for this side of the room, I added this little painting that I got from IKEA in between because I felt like it just looked a little plain, and I just kind of cleaned up above the shelf, and nothing really changed here. It's just pretty much the same, and there's still a whole bunch of bags hanging behind the door. And I have this white door hanger that I got from IKEA that I just put everyone's like hoodies and stuff on it. And that's pretty much it for today. I plan on making more updates, but this video is going to be very long if I include everything that I do. But as I go, I'm going to continue to vlog the process. But for right now, this is what we got going on. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and that is the end of the video. I did get on here to make an outro because I forgot to make an outro. So this is not the same day, but I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what your thoughts in the comments. Hopefully you guys will stay tuned for the next video when I update some more parts of my house, and I'll see you guys next time.